What is MAI AI? MAI AI can refer to various AI-powered technologies or platforms, depending on the context. Here are some possible interpretations. MAI by Manus, a cutting-edge AI system developed by Manus, known for its motion capture, hand tracking, and VR integration. It's widely used in gaming, virtual production, robotics, and training simulations. MAI Virtual Assistant. Some AI-powered virtual assistants and chatbots operate under the name MAI AI, designed for automation, customer service, and personal assistance in industries like e-commerce, finance, and healthcare. AI-driven content generation. MAI AI may also refer to an AI-powered content creation tool, capable of writing, designing, or video editing using machine learning and natural language processing. Machine learning and AI research. MAI AI could be a project or research initiative in artificial intelligence, focusing on areas like deep learning, computer vision, and AI-driven automation. AI in gaming and VR. Some platforms use MAI AI for next-gen gaming, allowing for realistic character animations, voice recognition, and adaptive AI behaviors in immersive environments. Personalized AI models. Certain startups or AI services might brand their custom AI solutions as MAI AI, offering tailored AI models for businesses in marketing, data analytics, and decision-making. AI-powered security and surveillance. Some AI-powered security systems use MAI AI for real-time monitoring, facial recognition, and predictive threat detection in smart cities and corporate environments.